Meaning of ID card.
ID card.
ID card.
ID card.
ID card. An ID card is a personal identification document issued by a government to verify an individual's identity. It typically includes the person's name, photograph, signature, and other identifying information such as date of birth and address. ID cards are commonly used in day-to-day activities such as accessing government services, opening bank accounts, and voting. They serve as a means of establishing an individual's legal identity and protecting against identity theft. ID cards may differ in appearance and information depending on the country, but they all serve the same purpose of identification and verification.